Welcome students of class 8A in the period of mathematics. Today we'll solve some questions of geometry, chapter 18, exercise 18b. In 18b, question number 13 states that the ratio of parallel sides and height of a trapezium is given in 3:5:2, and the area of that trapezium is 392 centimeter square. We are asked to find the height and the parallel sides of the trapezium. As the ratio of two parallel sides and the height is given as 3:5:2, so we can consider let two parallel sides and height between them be 3x and 5x. These two are the parallel sides, and the height between them is 2x respectively. Then the area of the trapezium equal to half into the sum of parallel sides into height. Area is 392 centimeter square, that is equal to 1 by 2 into the sum of parallel sides, means 3x plus 5x into the height, that is 2x. So the equation became 392 centimeter square equal to 1 by 2 into 3x plus 5x into 2x. These two are the sum of parallel sides and this is height. Now in the next step, 392 centimeter square equal to 1 by 2, 3x plus 5x, 8x into 2x. In the next step, 392 centimeter square into 2 by cross multiplication. 392 centimeter square into 2 equal to 8x into 2x. Means 8 into 2, x square, x into x, x square. Therefore, x square equal to 392 centimeter square into 2 by 8 into 2. I simplified it and I got x square equal to 49 centimeter square. So x equal to 7 centimeter. X square equal to 49 centimeter square. So x equal to 7 centimeter. We got this value of x equal to 7 centimeter from square root of 49. Now, as we got the value of x equal to 7 centimeter, then we can find the height, that was 2x equal to 2 into 7 centimeter equal to 14 centimeter. And the parallel sides, first is 3x, so 3 into 7 centimeter equal to 21 centimeter, and second is 5x, 5 into 7 centimeter equal to 35 centimeter. Question number 14. Find the area of the given polygons. Three questions are there. First figure is this, and we are asked to find out the area of this polygon. Here one letter is left, this name, that is D. This is D and this is F. So you are seeing in the figure there are three triangles, triangle AED, triangle ADC and triangle ABC. AD is the base of triangle AED and height is EH, that is 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively. In triangle ACD, AC is the base, that is 12 centimeter and height is DZ, that is 6 centimeter. And in triangle ABC, base is AC, that is 12 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. So if we add the areas of these three triangles, then we can get the area of the polygon. So for that I wrote area of triangle AED equal to half into base into height. Base is 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Then area of triangle ACD equal to half into base into height. Base is 12 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. Half into base into height. And area of triangle ABC, that is also half into base into height, that is half into base. Base is AC, that is 12 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. So half into 12 into 7. Now we have calculated all these. 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 5 into 5 25 centimeter square. 6 into 6 36 centimeter square, 6 into 7 42 centimeter square, and the addition of these three areas became 103 centimeter square. That is the answer. In question number 14, the last figure is this polygon. The measurements are given. These single dots are showing that all these sides are equal. AB equal to AF equal to BC equal to EF equal to ED equal to CD. So this is 10 centimeter. So this will also be 10 centimeter. Here is also 10 centimeter. So first of all, I got this height. This height equal to, from Pythagoras theorem, 10 centimeter square minus 8 centimeter square equal to 6 centimeter square. This height became. There are two triangles. And this total height is 22 centimeter. If this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. Then 6 into 6, 12, and this much is now 22 minus 12 equal to 10 centimeter. So first triangles 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 triangles. So for that I wrote 2 triangles are here, 2 triangles are here. So 2 into 2, and area of triangle half into base into height, 1 by 2 into 8 into 6 centimeter square, and this is the rectangle. So length into breadth, 10 into this is 16, 8 centimeter 8 centimeter, 16 centimeter. So 10 into 16 centimeter square. So these two are cancelled, 2 cancelled. Now 8 6 are 48, 48 into 2, 96 centimeter square, plus this is 160 centimeter square. If I added it, I got 256 centimeter square. That is the answer.